When you're putting these vocals in, it's quite important to, so listen to it on its own first, and then play the beat. And sing it in your head. Don't play it, sing it in your head. Because a lot of people, you know, ask me how I do my vocals and stuff as well. So that is actually it. I just sing it in my head. And just the first point, that, oh, I'm trapped, then you know what beat it's going to go on. So once you do that, sing it in your head, play the beat on its own. Like, oh. So I know where the first bit's going there. I've actually got it a tiny bit late, but it actually sounds all right. So that's actually how I get that in time. Once you've got that there, if you pull this to the point, whenever you flex it, this part won't move. So you're guaranteed to get it in time. And then all you might have to do is pull these around and adjust it slightly to swing. If you need to put the swing in. Sometimes it sounds better without it. Sometimes I do loads to the vocals. Sometimes I hardly even touch them, really. It all depends.